ना बनाए। एक और खतरनाक और नाकाबिले कबूल अमल जो कि कल रात को हुआ, वो भारत ने जब ये बुज़दिलाना कार्रवाई की तो उस वक़्त बहुत सी नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल फ़्लाइट्स पाकिस्तान की एयर स्पेस में मौजूद थी and thousands of civilian passengers' lives were put in grave danger. At that time, there were 57 international flights that were operating inside Pakistan airspace. The consequences of any of them being hit perhaps didn't even cross the minds of those who were undertaking this aggression, this senseless aggression that they did yesterday.